If you are looking for a business opportunity that can possibly change your situation right now, I was you. This is Laarni Bot, coming to you from Japan, but originally po from Texas, USA. Andito po kami for our business trip. And gusto kong i-share sa inyo ang negosyong ito na nasimula namin 3 years ago na nakapagpabago na po ng aming buhay. Kung makikita mo ang aking family, ang aking mga kids na sa likod. We are here in the hotel right now. They are enjoying our trip here in Japan, 15 days, sponsored by our online business po. And it is business on the go. Kahit saan man kayo sa mundo, you can run the business just through your phone, your laptop, and you can earn wherever you are, parts of the world. This is a global business po that you can do in your pockets of your time. Kaya when I found this business, I was a very busy nurse of 18 years. I'm a mom of 2 kids, and they are Isaiah and Isabella. Say hi, kids. Say hi. Hi. And I'm working 5 to 6 days a week and 2 hospitals po sa Texas kasi sobrang burnout ako, guys. Wala talagang time sa aking mga kids. Kulang talaga ang sahod natin kaya I have to work 2 hospitals 5 to 6 days a week. And it really breaks my heart na hindi ko na po nakikita ang aking mga anak. Kaya I was looking for an option. I was looking for a way out until na-introduce itong business sa akin ng isa din pong ER nurse from Texas na ngayon matagumpay na sa business. And pinadalhan niya ako ng free information video at doon ko nakita ang everyday people, everyday mom na successful sa business kahit walang business background, walang business education. Hindi tech savvy, shy and introverted katulad ko. I really 100% can relate kasi I don't have any business experience. I've been doing nursing all my life. But nung nakita ko ang video, guys, that they provide comprehensive training, enterprise level global training, constantly updated po, and this program is for beginners kahit wala kang business experience. And doon ako na-inspire. Kasi if they can do it, became successful in the business, bakit hindi ako? Kaya nakita ko talaga how they become successful, how they're earning now using this platform. And while me, I'm in the hospital working 5 to 6 days a week, breaking my back, and I cannot imagine doing this kind of work forever na kulang ng time sa family at kulang pa rin ang sahod natin. Kaya talaga, I took the risk, I took action, I did my due diligence, I did my research. I found out that this business is 100% legitimate. We are paying taxes to the government and global business, and mapapasa mo pa sa iyong anak when they turn 18 years old. And I was really inspired by what I saw, even though wala akong pera nung nag-start ako, kasi nga kaya nga tayo mag-start ng business because I wanted at least $500 to $1,000 a month extra. Pero guys, the business gave me so much more. Nagtook ako ng risk, guys, 3 years ago, and now we are able to travel anywhere in the world. 15 days po kami dito sa Japan, which I could never imagine I could do this before when I'm just doing my nursing job. I could not afford to travel this international trip with just my nursing job. Kaya guys, I'm super grateful talaga dito sa negosyong ito na nag-sponsor ng aming Japan trip for 15 days. And andito po ako dahil sa aming 52nd business convention in Okinawa. So guys, tingnan mo ang aming view. Grabe, sobrang ganda ng view outside. Look at that. Look at that. Ang ganda-ganda ng view natin. While I'm talking to you here, sharing the business with you, kasi I was you. I was in your shoes. Naghahanap ako ng option, guys, na share ito ng friend ko. Hindi ko pinalampas that I know opportunity knocks only once. And I said to myself, if I will not do this now, then when? Kasi there's no perfect time. Talaga, the perfect time is if you take action now and do it. See if it's for you. Do your research, do your due diligence. That's what I did. Hindi po ako natakot, guys, kahit wala akong pera. But it's worth it. It's all worth it. Kasi now we are enjoying the benefits of this business. We're able to travel internationally. We are able to have more time with our family, our kids. We're able to save for kids' future, to send money back home to our parents in the Philippines, to help invest and repair our apartment or houses in the Philippines, and also to help my charity, my high school charity, every month without fail. Dahil po ito sa business na ito. Kaya I'm very, very grateful to the Lord na nakita ko tong opportunity na to at binigyan niya ako ng lakas ng loob to start this business, because if not because of this business, I'm still stuck on the same routine. And if you are looking for the same opportunity, the same extra stream of income aside from your job, because this business is, you can grow it along with your job. You don't have to quit your job right away. Grow it and see and let it grow until it can replace your mainstream of income. And now it's actually replacing our mainstream of income. More income now in this business than my nursing job. I was able to cut down hours na from working full-time nurse, 5 to 6 days a week. I only work at least 2 to 3 days now, PRN or supplemental nurse. Imagine that, guys. And my husband is a full-time dad, so my husband is not working. So only me is the sole provider in the family. And with this business now, that's giving us more support than ever. And I'm very grateful that I took that leap of faith. I watched that free information video. I explored the community. It gave me clarity to move forward to the next step and become a business owner, guys. And if you are coachable, willing to learn, and may malaking paniniwala sa iyong sarili at sa Panginoon, I truly believe this will also work for you. And you are not watching this video by accident, but only divine intervention po. And thank you again for watching. Send me a message right away if you are interested to know more about this business. There's no pressure. It's just a mom and a nurse also sharing this business to you, because it already worked for us. So definitely it will also work for you. And I'm praying for your decision. I hope I will see you inside our business community. Bye for now. God bless. What they gonna do?
Send us a